You searched how to buy shares of Revenio Group Oyj. Revenio Group Oyj is a Finland-based medical technology company specializing in ophthalmic diagnostic devices, listed on CBOE EU under the ticker REG1V.HE. This is educational information, not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker REG1V.HE to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Revenio Group Oyj on the CBOE EU exchange. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Verify the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker REG1V.HE. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending until trading opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After the purchase, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the platform.